You gotta live your life right. I just wanna have fun till the morning light. In the morning light, you gotta live your life right. I just wanna have fun till the morning light. In the morning light, you gotta live your life right. I just wanna have fun till the morning light. In the morning light, you gotta live your life right.
So we are getting closer to the ice cream joint. This ice cream joint is a very busy one. You know why it's busy?
Because say it's busy and then you find out that there's no one there.
No, it's a busy one. It's actually a busy one because it's in the neighborhood. And in this neighborhood, you can see that there are so many apartments here. So, in the afternoon, the kids, parents, everybody, see, people sitting down and taking ice cream. So now we are going inside to get it. Are you ready? We are taking 4 scoops. Ready?
Jest reguła, że my codziennie to przechodzimy i na pewno nie.
So finally we are here. This is what we have.
You don't have so many options.
Now she's checking what she can buy. See how the kid is watching her. She's like, this girl, why? She wants to take everything home.
She's saying that.
She's like, this girl. She wants to take everything home. No challenge. No. So we have to wait because the kid is very hungry. And you know kids like ice cream. Yeah. See how the kid is watching. What are you doing? This kid doesn't want competition. Huh? Okay, so now it's our turn.
Can I try this lion and the chocolate? Yeah, I will buy.
Sorry. Jak się masz? Dobrze? Okay. So Gigi, whatever you choose, me, I'm okay.
No, vanilla or chocolate?
Vanilla,
I want to try the chocolate.
pistachio.
No, but which one? Do you want to try anything?
No, I don't want to try anything. I want to take.
Okay. So which one do you want?
I want the mango, vanilla, pistachio, and then yeah.
Can I please try the chocolate?
Guys, you see, I'm just going for vanilla.
Okay.
No for me.
The mango, pistachio, this one. Yeah, in one. You cannot eat it.
Ah, but how many can be? 3? You can
So
take
can
3,
take
yeah.
3 then, yeah.
So for mine, vanilla, pistachio, and then mango, yeah.
Yeah, for you.
Yeah, for me. The kid is so mad. You are delaying his time.
Sorry.
See how the kid is watching her. He's like, this girl, you will not leave us to eat. You are wasting my time.
Mango and lime.
Finally, this is it. It's a lot. He's asking me, am I ready? No, I'm always ready. That's a lot.
In your 5 minutes. No more.
Guys, that's a lot. That's a lot. For us who don't like ice cream, but still will win the challenge. And you wanted to take 4.
Hey, no, I'm going to pay you.
Where? It's melting. Too late. That guy is coming. Wait for him.
In the morning light, you gotta live your life right. I just wanna have fun till the morning light. In the morning
Drink it.
light, you gotta live your life.
It's okay. We'll just sit. There is there. Yeah.
This is so sweet. Okay.
He's crying.
Actually, I need to show you.
Show me. Ah.
That I'm winning.
Uncle friend, come here. Send me back.
Kela man, ya sembe bo.